Working on the Impala today. Got plastic on it. It's being wet sanded and buffed right now. So it's the weekend and we're gonna get ready to start on the exhaust. We got the rear end jacked up underneath just so we can see how much room we've got if we want to try to put tailpipes on up over the axle, and there's room, but it's gonna be really tight. We got new mufflers over here. They're called G Pro Performance. They're just a straight through perforated core. Should quiet it down a little bit but not restrict the flow too much. Got some exhaust pipe here, and then we got some real tight bends over here, the 3-inch J bends, or whatever you want to call them. So between that, the pipe over here, and then our new bender, which we'll use for the not so tight stuff, we should have enough to make this exhaust work. So we'll get started on that. Okay, this is the passenger side exhaust. Got our V-band here, our muffler in the back. Didn't film much of it. We're still trying to get a feel for this new bender, see how it bends. The only downside is we've only got the big radius for the 3-inch, but it still works pretty good. Plus side of the bender is this spot here was really close to the floor. So if you turn the dies around backwards, you can get a nice even flat spot, so we got extra clearance. So we're gonna get this pipe cleaned up and then probably paint it black just to keep it from rusting. So we'll get on the driver's side. I'll try to film more of that, see how we're doing this. Okay, here's the driver's side pipe. Forgot to film anything as we were putting it together because we just started on it and ended up here. So far this should pretty much be the whole pipe, and then we'll slip the muffler on that side and be able to tack it on, and we can get the whole thing down and weld it. Here it is from underneath the car. We'll just tack it onto this V-band once we figure out where the muffler is going to go back here. Just make sure we got room on the drive shaft and plenty of room off the floor. So Marshall's getting the muffler out of the box, and then we'll see what it looks like mocked up there. Here it is mocked up in here. We'll straighten this muffler out and then tack it on. And then tack the V-band on. We'll pull it down and weld it, and then get it painted black like this other side. And we'll be able to fire this thing up and see what it's going to sound like with these new mufflers on it. We got these all welded on, got the hangers bolted on the back. Now we're gonna get up there and start it while it's up on the lift, see what it sounds like, check for leaks, all that good stuff. So sounds good though. Quiet is what he was wanting, so